Hello and welcome to an episode of Trains App, and today we're at Castlethorpe on the West Coast Mainline, servicing services by Virgin Trains, London Midland, and with any luck some freight as well. 87002 was hauling 90048. I can only assume up to Wembley of some sort. As you can see, some of the old platforms still remain, however it's been mostly taken over by nature now. A little bit of a brief history for you. It was opened on the 2nd of August in 1882, the original company being the London and Birmingham Railway. It was then soon to be then taken over by the London and North Western Railway, and then eventually the London Midland and Scottish Railway, as we know, LMS, and then the London Midland region of British Railways. The station wasn't particularly busy. It used to have a goods platform, but then that was removed in what year was it? I can't remember. Oh, it'll come to me. Oh, what was it? 1960s, I believe it was. 1964, I believe the station's goods facility was closed. And then the same year, on September 6th, the station was closed altogether. All the corresponding buildings were then destroyed. Subsequently afterwards, I think it was a year or so apart from it, and then it's just been sort of left for nature to reclaim ever since. But it was opened in the 1880s, closed in 1964. There were calls for it to remain open, but they just never happened, and I can't really see it happening again. In all fairness, the only place I can really see them building a new railway station would be Road, but I don't know. Obviously, you've still got the layout here, so they may do something. But yes, there you go. So a little brief history of Castlethorpe railway station. So let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, our first one of the day is a Virgin Trains class to Pendolino. 39107. And the next train to pass by is a Virgin Trains 221 Super Voyager. And the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains 221 Super Voyager. And then a Pendolino. There goes 35368 sneaking up on me there. And then we're about to have another 350 pass by. 35231 bound for Northampton. Alright, and the next train to pass by is going to be another Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino. I won't be able to get the numbers of the Pendolinos unless I know them via their liveries. Same with the Voyagers. Okay, the next train to pass by is the London Midland Class 350 Desiro. (350-111) bound for Birmingham New Street. Benzino. 39104. Haven't seen her in a while. And the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains class 290 Pendolino. Okay, here we have 353.71 with a London Midland service to London Euston from Crewe. And we have another 350 passing by. 350.106 bound for London Euston. Wow, what happened to my voice then? And then we have another 390 passing by. Okay, and the next train to pass by should be a Virgin Trains 221 Super Voyager. It's 221.106 bound for Chester. Alrighty then. The next train to pass by is a Freightliner class 66. 66,590. Out of a Penzino pass by. And then London Midland 350. .353.74 bound for Crewe. Alright then, the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino. Oh, hello. And here we have 351.18 bound for Birmingham New Street. Then we have another 390. Right, and the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains class 290 Pendolino. And then we have a London Midland 350 bound for London Euston. For 5105 working a service from Birmingham New Street. Right, the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino. Okay, we have another 390 passing by. Okay, now passing by is 66416. So as I both continue onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. We will get the Daventry bound DB Cargo UK Class 66 passing through, 66007. Now, Sheikey to almost towards Daventry, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you see today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to have a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. I thoroughly enjoyed filming it has to be said. Nice little vantage points throughout. Let's pick up my phone. Nice to see if that's reopened one day, but you never know. They may look into it. Definitely somewhere I'd come back to. It's better vantage points than the one I previously went to last year, or the year before last. Because just up there is the old water tower, and before that was a bridge that you could stand on. I stood on previously, but only gives you views of the line going to Milton Keynes. You don't get anything on the Northampton side of it. So it's nice to get little vantage points around. Caught off guard a couple of times with some of the trains, but that was due to me not paying any attention. But I'd definitely come back here. So, until next time, from me here at Castlethorpe, I shall see you all later. Take care guys, goodbye.